the mechanical information, how to take things apart, how to do it. We've got a Citroen C1 outside. I previously looked it up. It's there in my repair history. All I need to do is click on Citroen C1. That brings the vehicle up. I need to know how to take the dashboard out of this vehicle, where the fixings are. Type dashboard in the top right hand. There's my search suggestions. I don't need to refine it anymore. Remove and refit dashboard, right hand drive vehicle. Right click, open a new tab. And there we go. We've got the OEM information, every screw, every nut, bolt, washer and safety procedure that needs to be followed to remove the dash on a Citroen C1.